Yeah, getting more wood. Hello everyone. Getting more wood. This wood place was just like a hut. Now it's expanding. No matter um, what wood, no matter what wood I've got, this guy is not interested in using it. I've been bringing old ones, everything. He just wants to buy new ones because I think he wants the length of the place. And also, I just want to advise about my observation, not advice on business. The more you dilly dally on it, the more someone just does it. I've just seen a few businesses. I was thinking of Drink Depot. I was thinking of POP. I was thinking of Sports Bar. Everyone's done it now. New people springing out doing it. So the more you think about it, the more people do it. But yeah, we're getting the wood, more wood being done. My friend gave me some wood for the, but apparently that's just for the top. It's for the roof instead. So this guy doesn't want to use it. So I think what normally happens is they come down and agree a fee, and um, then they come and suggest that, oh, you need to get this, you need to get that, no matter what you say. And then what will happen is any negotiation on price won't happen because that will be his cut. Because I've been saying to this guy, let's use what we have. And the thing is, I can't over insist because if the thing now becomes wonky, then what? If the house now becomes wonky, then what? Or it doesn't work. So it's a very difficult situation to use because I think he likes the long ones because they can cover and also the width as well. The width matches. The width matches um, the concrete size. So depending on the bush and the cyber and the bush guy, whatever. If like say when I say this, like this width, for example, he prefers the one that he's getting now because it's a bit longer. So when they put it sideways and they pour the concrete and it's gonna have iron rods and everything, it needs to cover a certain amount of width. So no matter what ones I'm bringing, this guy's not doing it. It's not saving me money at all. And I think he's been here already. That's the trick. But anyway, at least I got some 5 boards. Sometimes it's worth just buying the thing, man. Because now I've worked car here. I haven't even negotiated what it's gonna cost me, but it's now gonna cost me. Hello. It's now gonna cost me more in transportation than if I had bought it from here. So it's the transport that's irritating to buy. But yeah, more progress, more wood. I'll show when I get there where they've got to now. They just need much more bamboo to hold the 2x4 and the board. He wants to rent the board from someone, and I keep insisting that he needs to. We need to use what we have first before. So I think he wants to. This place is expanded. When I came, it was empty. Like, look of buildings from the same proceeds. People spend 25 years abroad and they can't build that. And then people come here within seconds, they use this to build that. And you're there. Next man is doing the thing in his house, he's sitting there. He's sitting there negotiating. They bring the iron rod, they bring different ones. You wouldn't know. So yeah, progress is going on. It's not easy because I still haven't found like a good competent person that can lead. I haven't been looking out for it, but that's the key. You need somebody that's expert in the field, that's buying into your vision to help you. Else, um, every time you're gonna do everything by yourself, or you wouldn't know what's going on. And I trust what the guy is doing, the worker, but I need someone to kind of push them back a bit, you know. And if I push him back, I don't have facts to back it. And if I don't have facts to back it, then he would win. Because if he's saying that we need this kind of board, and I say, no, use this, he's saying, no, this is no good. What are you going to do? He's the expert. So that's the other things to look out for. So yeah, get a naming convention, get it right. When you're watching these things, try and make notes and write it down so that when you're doing this business, you'll be able to know as well. But yeah, I don't know how they get these boards into this place because every time they're meant to, you think you got to have permits and stuff. Maybe they do have permits and stuff, but they seem to have it all over the place. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update. After buying the last one, we kind of need more, so we're gonna do the stairs as well. When I get back, I'll show you lot where we at. All right, thank you.